What's up, boys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a minute since I drove the Hellcat, so let's get it. Today I worked a 12-hour shift, dude, and I have to record for the week, man. It's been hard keeping up with YouTube, bro. Like, even though it's like such basic videos, I like not oversaturating it. You know, I like recording once a week, you know, or like recording like maybe twice a week, depending on like what's going on. It's so much more refreshing when it's like once a week, because I get to like I have new things to talk about and all this stuff. Man, I miss this car so much. Holy. Yeah, I haven't been driving this car as much, guys, because I'll be honest with you, every time I drive this car, I feel like I'm gonna get robbed. I don't know why. Like, no, I feel like this car's gonna get stolen. Like, legit, every time I park it, like, I'm even at the gym, bro, and I gotta go look to make sure like no one's breaking in or something. Like, that's how anxious this car gets me. And the only reason why I do is like people are stealing Hellcats in my area, like, and this is like a pretty, you know, suburban area. And people are still stealing Hellcats. I'm like, dude, it's legit not be worth the risk, bro. So I just been literally, anytime I drive this car, I'm driving it, put it back in the garage, and that's it. Oh my gosh, dude, the echo is unreal with this car. The wine never gets old on this thing, dude. So right now I'm working actually on a custom Hellcat exhaust. One of these manufacturers hit me up, and I'm like, all right, bet, I want this kind of design. They actually offered it. So I think what I'm gonna try to do is come out with some kind of valved exhaust for Hellcats, and then for an M5, I'm probably gonna try to come up with something as well. But let me know if you guys are interested. If you guys, I don't know how many people of you guys, like the people that watch me, I don't know how many of you guys have Hellcats and stuff. But if you're interested, definitely. If you were interested, I'll definitely get into it. But if not, I'll probably just get one for myself. But there's just like no exhaust. That's, dude, nah. Like, I love BMWs, dude, but BMWs just don't do that, bro. They just feel too toyish. This one just actually feels like American. It feels unreal, bro. I'm gonna be honest. I'd rather be in sport mode, low key. Oh my freaking. Nah, dude, that never gets old. Never. It's never gonna get old, man. Like, bro, that scream is, dude, no car can do that. Next time I ride with the M boys, I'm gonna definitely take the Hellcat, because it just overpowers every car there, bro. It's unreal. Not with speed, obviously, you know. But yeah, boys, man, just another day, another week, grinding, growing. I don't know if any of you guys were watching the stock market this week, but it pretty much took the biggest dump in your life in a while, actually. And dude, $1 trillion was erased in the market. I think today alone, which was today's Wednesday, 1 trillion, bro. Like, there's too much money to be made in the market, bro. It literally shows there's just so much money flowing, bro. It's like, the way I see the market's like this, bro. I'm trying to go in this lane. The way I see the market's like this. It's literally a puzzle, and if you can master the puzzle, you'll become rich. This street's so sketch. I can't. There's just too many cars out right now, bro. I'm scared. Nah, forget it. Dude, that's on. Dude, nah, dude. I know people. If there's a cop like 2 streets down, he'll freaking hear me, bro. Honestly. Oh, dude, the wine. I'm so happy I put this aftermarket intake on. It sounds unreal. But if you guys are actually interested in exhaust, please let me know in the comments. And I hope you guys have been enjoying the POVs. Lately, I've been trying to do with like more cars, and just because I've been riding with the homies more, meeting a lot of cool people, man. And you know, I'm probably just gonna keep doing that, just doing POVs with the homies. And you know, one of them does YouTube, so it's Something about this car, bro, it's just way too satisfying to drive. It's way too satisfying. I need to get off the main street, bro. This car is, oh my gosh. Unreal, dude. Yeah, I definitely need to get custom exhaust because this exhaust ain't it, bro. I tried to make my own valve exhaust, bro, but I need a full piece. Like adding valve mufflers was good, but like, bro, it was also bad. Because now since there's so many bolts, bro, and so many clamps, it just makes it sucky, dude. Like you can hear like the clamps are getting loose. I even tighten the clamps up again, bro. Nah, doesn't matter anymore. I don't know if you guys can hear the rattling, but it is rattling. I cannot believe I have both these cars, I'm gonna be honest with you. Oh, dude, I was literally at, like, there's a place called Laguna where I live at. Unreal. But pretty much, I was at Laguna, bro, and I was just, oh, there's a freaking SVJ. So I started, like, just pop in my car, as usual, pop in my Hellcat, and dude, the SVJ guy, like, looked at me and gave me a thumbs up. That felt pretty good, I'm gonna be honest with you. But after I did that, oh, snap. That's like, every time I see a Karen like on YouTube or whatever, I literally strive to never be like them. No matter like how annoying the situation is, you know what I'm saying? Like, if you can't control it, bro, don't be like, there's literally no point to me sweat it. Unreal. That's unreal. Yo, that thing sounds lit. Yo, I'm actually so happy the market's finally dropping. It's been literally so long since it dropped like this. Like, this is like a really good opportunity to start looking into buying. Like, I've been waiting for this for so long. We are in the bottom of the uptrend, so I'm probably just gonna buy some long term just for fun. Dude, something about this, I don't know why, like I just recently got a patch on my Hellcat, on my tires, bro. Dude, there's like, this thing like picks up nails for like a living, dude. I don't know what's up with that, but it just freaking loves picking up nails. I literally have brand new tires, boom, already got a nail on it. I legit got warranty just because of that. And thankfully it's paid off, bro, because the amount of nails they've got in this car is just so, dude, it's just so stupid. It's unreal. I think now I got one on my M5, like great, dude. I just scared that lady by accident. My bad, my bad. Dude, I love these neighborhoods, bro. Make sure there's no cops, bro. We're about to send this thing to the freaking moon right now. Come on, please turn green. Please turn green right now. Right now. Woo! I can't believe some other states, like, they won't be state ref for having a loud exhaust. Like, that's so lit. I can't even imagine how that feels. Like, every day I gotta think about getting state refed. Not really state ref. The cops are really chill out here, but more like anything little dumb, bro. Even an intake you gotta worry about. Like, come on, that sucks, dude. Man, dude, boys, just remember, bro. Once you get your dream car, once you get your Hellcat, once you get whatever SVJ, you're gonna still feel the same way you feel now. Obviously, it's gonna be nice to have more freedom and stuff, but just remember, boys, at the end of the day, bro, it's gonna be the same thing. And what's gonna matter is eternity, man. That's it. I have to remind myself every day because I have a Hellcat I dreamed for. I have an M5 I dreamed for. And there's no doubt I'm not happier. I'm more happy because I've succeeded in life, or I'm successful right now. Of course I can grow more, but you have to just be thankful for what, like, just even being alive, bro, because that will make you, like, I've been in such deep peace. Like, these cars are awesome, don't get me wrong, but like, you gotta live in peace in the where you are now. I have to always, you know, basically whatever I say in my videos, boys, is what I tell myself every day. You know, it's always consistent grind, consistently reminding yourself, you know, because they're like, especially what happened with Trump, dude. He literally almost died. 1 inch away, he'd be dead, non-existent. Everything he's built, done in 1 day, bro. Like, it's literally, it's all about Christ, bro. All of it, bro. And bro, this for sure, God for sure exists, bro. Like, you're telling me these beautiful mountains just came from a big bang, bro? Like, I feel like that takes more faith to believe than believing that there was God, that he created everything, and then there being 500 eyewitnesses, Dead Sea Scrolls. I mean, 500 eyewitnesses, bro, for me seals the deal. And then the Quran talks about Jesus being the Messiah, and the Quran was made 500 years after Jesus was born. Like, come on, bro. If one of the most followed religions is Muslim, and that dude wrote about Jesus 500 years later saying he's the Messiah, correct me if I'm wrong, that's from what I remember. If he's talking about it, bro, then there's for sure significance, and it's the second biggest religion in the world. 500 years later, and then there's 500 eyewitnesses that he was after he resurrected, from what I know. So, dude, there's just historical proof that there's a God, and specifically that's why I believe in Jesus, because just historically there's so much more that backs it up. I mean, even Islam's talking about it, bro. Like, come on, bro.